Hi guys, I'm going to apologize in advance right now if you can hear my air conditioning. It is currently 82 degrees and it's only like 9:45 a.m. Today we're doing an Ikea shop with me. Today's video is also super exciting because I'm getting all new furniture. You guys are probably gonna be confused when I say that. If you guys kind of want an update on my home buying process and all of those things and want to know why I'm buying all new furniture, let me know and I will do that video for you guys. And the trick here is that I want to do everything really budget friendly, so I'm only allowing myself to buy one item that is over $50. And when it comes to furniture here, everything tends to be over $50, so it's going to be a little bit of a challenge for me today, and I want to try and shy away from getting a ton of knickknacks, but if there is some new stuff, I definitely will share that with you guys. So let's head on into Ikea. The social hub doesn't look too social to me. They finally have that Chris stamp collection that I wanted to see, and now that they have it, I'm like over it because it's like a few months too late. I like this as a nightstand for my room, but it's $44.99, and I'm thinking of honestly just buying this instead for $24.99 and like upcycling it to make it a nightstand. This is like patio goals for me. The lights hanging and then this little set with the wood backsplash. I love this. So I saw these online and this is what I planned on getting for a TV stand, but they are a lot smaller in person than I thought they would be. So I'm gonna have to find something else, I think. Yikes, because they were only $49.99. Of course this is really cool and it holds your TV up, but it's $400. These aren't bad, but they're $80 and I don't want this to be my item that I spend more than $50 on today. Maybe I'll have to get two items over $50. It's looking like that. This is definitely new and it's such a pretty color. Again, $279. A little bit more than I want to spend on furniture right now. This isn't bad. I just hate how low to the ground these are. This one's a little higher up. Again, $250. So far this isn't working out in my favor. Now is it being budget friendly? After looking through all of these, I think I should pass for today on something to put my TV on, like a TV stand, and just work on the other pieces. Because all this stuff is like a little more than I wanted to spend. And I don't want to make a like impulse decision on one of these. This is probably my favorite pieces from Ikea, my favorite collection. This is the name of it, if you guys are wondering. When I have more space, I'm definitely gonna get this. I used to have this one that's only $49. I don't have it anymore, but a good option if you guys are interested. This is definitely a new piece that I haven't seen. It's like a clothing rack with storage down there. $129, but it seems to be like really good, like metal and sturdy. And then I haven't seen these before either. This one is like a wine little bar thing, and then this one is just storage. Love them, but I don't think they really match my apartment. This would be really cool to put if I had more room in my garage, just to store my extra like DIY supplies and stuff. It's definitely something to consider when I move. That would be a really good thing. And then you can like lock it. It's really cute. I'm a little lost. I'm looking for this, but I only want it like this size. So it's definitely around here somewhere. Oh, I already have two of these baskets that I'm gonna use to put on it. Okay, here's another big one. Where's the smaller one? Oh, here it is. Okay, so this one is $64.99, and this was gonna be the one item that I spent a little more on. And it comes in white, but the glossy white is $5 more. What do we think? Do I need the glossy white? Or should I just get the regular white and save money? Also, if I get the glossy white, the inserts are a little bit more too, I think. Like this, not being glossy, is $15. And it's $20 that's glossy. I'm gonna take a look at them and see which one I decide on. Literally gonna take one of these off the display and see what it looks like in the glossy white compared to the regular white. That will make me make my decision. Wait, can it even fit in here? I think it can. Let's see. Does it look good in the glossy white? Oh, looks so much better in the glossy white. Okay, glossy white it is. All the desks are 15% off. This would be good, but I feel like for what it is, like $100 and $2, even 15% off. Like, this isn't like crazy or anything for $100. I literally saw this piece and I was like, oh, this would look perfect under the desk that I want. And then over here, that's actually how they have it set up. So I think I'm gonna get this whole little set because it's really cheap. That's $14.99 and this is $33.99. I love the way they have this like dresser set up. It's like a taller dresser. I think when I like officially move, I might switch over to like black furniture. Wow, this is hard to open actually. Oh, it has like the little release, but I like the darker colors. I love how they have these pictures set up above the bed. Kind of might want to do something like this in my room now. So I have such a blank wall above my bed. Excuse me, what are these? They're like acrylic display boxes that you put on the wall. I've never seen these before. This all looks so good. Usually I'm not a fan of the rooms, but this room I'm really digging. Here's a good example. Like, this whole room to me looks so bad. Like, I'm not bashing anyone. I know everyone has different tastes, but like this room, not really a fan. But see, they put the rug on the wall. It's a really trendy thing to do now, is putting a rug on the wall. I'm just not a fan of that rug. Maybe I just don't like the colors. And who left these here? Oh, whoa, I always saw this here and I had no idea that this nightstand was metal. Almost makes me want to get it more, and it's only $30. May get this instead of the other one I was going to get. This is currently my favorite nightstand that they have. $69.99. It has a little pull tab on it. Very on trend. I just don't want to spend over $50, as I mentioned. Guys, they have this in yellow. Does that mean that they have this in yellow? Because I don't see it. Let's see. Oh, it doesn't say the different colors it comes in. If this is supposed to be a yellow one here, I would totally love that. But again, $80. We're supposed to stay under 50. I like this color of this one as well. I don't know. I'm not like in love with any of these. This might be a good option actually. And then just changing this, because these don't actually go here. It's just like a decor thing. It's kind of a good idea too. We'll see. Headed down to the marketplace, the section where you need nothing from, but you end up buying everything. Am I right? Give this video a thumbs up if you agree. Come to this section and you literally get everything, but you need nothing. I'm still gonna grab a basket. I feel like that's enabling myself, but okay. I feel like this is just danger. Yikes. Let's see what they have. Ooh, this is all changed and new. I saw this in my last video. These are some ones, I don't remember if these are here or not. They're also cute too for lighting. Ikea hack, get this from the kitchen section. It's like brass and a really nice glass. It's $24.99, but this is like a really nice jewelry stand that you could use. But I don't, originally it's like a fruit platter or something. Serving stand, so just serve, but put all your jewelry on this and then you can even hang like necklaces from this. Like, kind of talking it up so much I might want to get it for myself. Well, both of these are new and they're like linen. They're really nice. $5.99 and $9.99. Oddly enough, cow print is really in right now. So if you guys are trying to get the trend for less, and this is faux, obviously, it's only $6. It's just like a faux little cow print pillow. Kind of looks good, actually. I saw this online and I'm just as in love with it in person as I did online, but I'm gonna hold back. I don't really necessarily need new bedding right now, but this is a really good set. You get the pillowcases and the duvet for $59.99, $39.99 if you have a full or a queen. Wow, these cork boxes are super cool. I don't know what I would put in them, but They're really cool. Love these. These little containers are so cool in the school supply section. Also, side note, would you guys want to see or for me to have a back to school giveaway? If you do, let me know in the comments down below and I will do that. Always look through the kids stuff because they have stuff that could work for like your adult space too. Like look at this. This would make an amazing like organizational piece, and it's kind of trendy. It's like wood and the white. And then these are like closed lids. Nice option. $79.99. This is so heavy. I should have brought help. I don't know how I'm getting this in my car. Yikes. Guys, I'm literally like sweating so bad. I don't know how I'm gonna get all this stuff in my car. So I wanted 2 of these. Is that how it works? And then 2 of these. Guys, I forgot. I went to Costco for my mom and put all this stuff in my car. And I just bought so much stuff. Oh my God, my car's already full and I just bought all of this. Hi guys, I'm back from Ikea and I wanted to share with you guys what I got. As a disclaimer, I mentioned earlier it's hot, but it is currently 96 degrees in my apartment. I don't have air conditioning, so if it looks like I'm sweating in this video, I definitely am. But I really wanted to share with you guys what I got. I don't have the things put together, so I'm gonna insert the clips or little pictures or photos. And then I'm going to do a separate video of how I styled and put everything together, because as I mentioned, I'm kind of like putting my own twist on things and creating different spaces in my place, very, very budget friendly. So just to start off, I did end up getting it's like a 3-tier like food tray. I got this because I knew that it would look great on one of the little other pieces that I got, just as like a jewelry organizer. It isn't meant for that, but there's like a really quick change that you can make to this and turn it into like the best jewelry organizer ever. So I will show you guys that when I set it up in the video, like the hack that I'm doing to make this even more of like a jewelry organizer. So I picked that up. The next thing that I got is just the Calyx shelving unit. I got the one with the 8 cubes and I plan on not using it like vertically. I plan on using it horizontally, and I'm basically just turning it into my dresser for my clothes. I felt like that was a very affordable piece and I could make it look kind of like rustic and the way I want it to, very budget friendly, as opposed to buying any like reclaimed wood pieces. So I got the actual 8 cube one, and then I got 2 of these like doors to put on it, and then I also got 2 sets of, they have these like 2 small drawers that you can put. So I'm gonna put that together, and then I'm using the like rattan or like woven cubes that I showed in the video. The next thing that I got is one of these laptop tables. I had one before and I did do an Ikea hacks where I turned it into this really nice like marble desk. I'll link it down below, but this one I decided to just get a white one, and I ended up being able to also find like those little drawers and they fit under it perfectly. So both of those together, since everything was 15% off, was like $49, and then obviously plus tax, but still under that $50 price point that I wanted to meet, because everything for me, the challenge was like before tax. So I got both of those in the white color and I can't wait to like style that. So you guys will see that like a really affordable like small desk area makeover. Surprisingly enough, that is all that I ended up getting. I'm really proud of myself for going into Ikea, really sticking to a budget and like being smarter about what I buy. Usually I would go in there and just go crazy. Obviously you guys saw there were so many pieces that I loved, but I really am working on decluttering and getting back to being more minimal, because I did fall a little off track recently, which I will talk to you guys all about in a separate video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!